Tumuloy tayo sa Avong ng Romy. Ibig sabihin, bahay ni Romy. Ito ay located sa Lower Wangal, La Trinidad, Benguet, 45 minutes away from the busy streets of Baguio. It is a rustic place nestled among the pine trees, and it is a perfect place to get away from the hustles and bustles of the city life. May mga activities sila like archery, knife throwing, and open sila from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Sundays. 50 pesos lang ang entrance nila. Di ba sulit na sulit? Free ang mga games nila like kadang-kadang, board games, three-legged games, tug of war, at marami pang iba. Perfect ito sa mga adventures at sa mga team building activities. Pero sa akin, I see it more as a refuge, a home away from home, para makapag-isip-isip. Madaming beses kasi na ayaw na natin. Nakakapagod na. Gusto na nating bumitaw. Yung feeling natin, hindi tayo kamahal-mahal. Napapagod tayo sa buhay. Napapagod tayong magmahal. Pagod tayong magtrabaho. Basta, napapagod tayo sa buhay. Alam nyo, nobody has to understand you better than you do. Stop living in such a way that you are afraid of what people may say. What you love, who you love. Just live. Live your truth. Life is too short to continue living for what other people want you to be. The only person you have to be content for who you are is you. Be content when you lay your head at night is you. Thank you pala to those people who remain. Yung kahit pagod na pagod tayo, kahit sawang-sawa na tayo, at kahit ano pang roller coaster ride ang pinagdaanan natin for the past weeks, months, and years, they remain. And I remain sane, knowing that I am appreciated and loved by those people who understand and feel my existence. I know I am not everyone's cup of tea, but that's okay. Tubig ako, tubig. Tandaan nyo, hindi ako tea, tubig. I learned to embrace the fact that, like tea or coffee or other drinks, ang tao may iba-ibang taste. Individual taste differently, and my essence hold true. My essence hold value for those who appreciate it. Thank you very much for supporting me, for loving me who I am. Alam nyo, yung konting tao na yon na naniniwala sa atin ay enough, and we are enough. Malamang nakarelate kayo. Alam nyo, sasabihin ko ngayon, you are enough, and I believe in you.